What's up, guys? It's me, Ranisha, back again. So today what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna show you guys my fidget toys that I made. So right now I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all stay right here. Don't leave. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first one I had is this one. I made this like 2 days ago. All you need to do is like grab a water bottle, pour the water out. No, don't pour the whole water out, okay? Pour the regular water out. Then after that, you wanna get another water bottle. No, guys. Yeah, you wanna get another water bottle. You wanna pour the actual water in here. After that, then you wanna get purple stuff to put in here. Then you get beans. Then you shake it up. And you got your own stuff. Now I'm going to show you how to bubble one. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I got this one. I have another one that I put beads in this hope. But I got this one too. All you need to do is grab some water, pour it out a little bit, like to the little, like right here. Then when you're done, you press open it and you shake it up and you got your own thing. And you can do it. Let me go show you my other stuff. Okay, now guys, I got this. The reason I like this so much because it's perfect, and I can even lay down and like squish or something. Let me go get one more thing. This is our last thing, guys. Then.
Over here, this helmet right here is where John Travolta lives.
Okay, guys, I got the squishy. It kind of messed up. The squishy.
They said 3 houses down from him. 1, 2, 3.
Well, thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe and hit that bell and comment. Bye.